Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to speed up your Android phone. Simple methods. The first method, turn on auto optimization. Go to your settings and tap on device care. Tap the three dots on the top right corner and switch to activate auto optimization. And I recommended you to set performance mode to high or optimize to get the maximum performance in your smartphone. But note, high performance mode consumes more battery as compared to other three modes. So, set it for a specific time when you want to run your Samsung phone at a maximum speed. Otherwise, you can set your phone to optimize mode and it will automatically look after everything. The other method, uninstall the unused apps. Clean internal storage, memory card or external storage. Restart Samsung Mobile. Stop auto launch for apps. Use light edition of apps. Limit the background processes. Turn off or reduce auto synchronous. And last, reset Samsung phone. You can reset Samsung Mobile to factory reset settings. You can reset Samsung Mobile to factory reset settings. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.